Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the home screen layout on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can reset your watch's home screen layout to its factory default. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Press the digital crown to open the App menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and select General. Scroll down the General settings and tap Reset. You now want to scroll down again and tap Reset Home Screen Layout. Tap Reset Home Screen and your home screen layout will be reset. I won't tap it as I don't want to reset my home screen layout. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.